how to enable free shipping on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable it or disable it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and here you will find Bigcommerce settings. Now just type here shipping and click on it. And as you see here you will find configure your shipping rules. Now just select any country you want, and you can select the rest of the world, and then click configure, and here you will find free shipping. Now just enable it and manage your until you want, and then submit. And now let's see. Now if you want to remove all of those here and make it for the rest of the world, that's it. Just it's easy. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.